If you want to show cash on delivery based on pin code in this video, I will tell you how to do it very easily. For this, I am using advanced cash on delivery app. You can also install the same app from Shopify App Store. It's very easy to use. Once installed, click on advanced COD, then limit COD based on location configure button. Now here we will select our payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you want to add fee for cash on delivery, you can just toggle on that button and add a delivery method. As of now, I don't need it, so I am toggling off this button. So click on pin code, change the status to enabled. Select only allow COD for pin code in list. You can add multiple zip codes or pin codes here. I am adding this one pin code. You can also upload the file of zip and pin codes. And remember to save your changes. Now we will test this on our online store. Go to your online store, add a product to your cart, and just proceed with the checkout. Now we will change our country to India, and we will enter the pin code. See, as we can see, cash on delivery option is available as of now. Now I will use any another pin code, just like this. See, here we can see cash on delivery is now not available. So that's it. We have successfully set up how to show cash on delivery based on pin code. So if you like the video, then please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.